Hey, today with me I have this A-Zone outdoor IP camera for your home. Let's go check this guy out. A-Zone outdoor security camera for your home comes with all the things you need for a home security camera. It has 1080p video, wide angle, and two-way audio, and it's designed for tough outdoor weather. Plus, it's easy to set up with motion detection, and for storage, it has options for SD card or cloud. And you can find this camera on Amazon for under $50. Yeah, first, let's do unboxing. Camera is not super small, but it's not that big either. It just feels really solid and just feels really sturdy. The camera is fully adjustable and it does come with all the tools you need. And here you put the SD card here. Then there's a connector in the back for the wireless antenna. The camera comes with a quick user guide which is very easy to read and has a step-by-step instruction how to set this up. So let's try this. First, we need to download the app on your phone. Just scan the barcode inside the user guide. It takes you right to your phone app. When you run the app for the first time, it's going to ask you to create an account and register. Then you have to do email verification. Before we go on, make sure the power is plugged in for the camera. Click on the plus sign on the top corner to add the camera. I didn't hear any voice prompt, but once you hear a 2 beep sound, you could go on to the next page. Next page, you connect to your Wi-Fi at home.
Please face the QR code towards the camera lens and wait for it to scan. Pairing is successful. You can start using your camera now.
Here, just name the camera. Here is an option to set up your cloud if you like. And it does come with a quick little tutorial instruction for the app, and you are all set. Now next step is to find out where you're gonna put this outdoor camera at home. For my home, I decided to put it in the backyard. It's kind of overlooking the little sidewall and make sure nothing's happening over there. Luckily in the backyard, there's a little wooden platform where I could install the camera there. Luckily, it comes with the drilling template, so it makes things very easy. So first just peel off the sticker and stick it into the place where you want to install it. And you start drilling the hole before you put on the screws. To make things easier for the installation, I took the camera off of the back plate so I could get easy access to the screws. And then all you have to do is just put the screws in to finish mounting this camera. So here's what it looks like after installation is finished. You might have to use an extension cord to get the power from the nearest power plug, and you just have to manage the wires accordingly. Okay, I'm back in the app again. Let me quickly show you some of the features. If you click on the main screen, it will take you to the live video. On the bottom, you will notice that it has a time-lapse feature. In order to do a time-lapse recording, first choose a shooting duration, and then you choose the video duration. In this example, we're gonna choose 15 minutes of the video, and we're gonna time-lapse into 10 seconds. Once setting is set, go and press the recording button, and it will automatically stop after 15 minutes later, and save the video automatically on your phone. If you want to see the time-lapse video, just click on the time-lapse button on the bottom and then click on the time-lapse video, and then you will see the 10 seconds worth of the time-lapse we just recorded. Here I am back at the live video. First is the mute button. Second, you could capture the video and save to your phone. Here's the intercom where you could talk to the speakers on your camera, and then you could take a screenshot of the video and save it to your phone. And then you could also watch the video in full screen. Here you see on the bottom is a timeline, and when the camera records a video, you could see it in orange marker. It does record according to the motion sensor, so when it detects something, it will start recording. And you could slide the timeline back and forth to see the recorded videos from the past. And here you see the alert button. This is where they keep all the alerts. When the camera detects a motion, it will start recording and then give you alerts. When you click on this alert video, it will show you a few seconds of the alert video. If you want to watch more, you could go back to the main timeline and to watch the full video. Here is the main setting page. You notice that it is also compatible with Echo Show, which is pretty cool. And you will notice that it also has a human detection alerts, which is pretty cool. It only alerts when it detects human. On the connectivity option, it will tell you your Wi-Fi connectivity to the camera, which is very useful. So if you're looking for an outdoors home security camera, you might want to check out this camera. It's very affordable, has a lot of packed with features, and easy to install and easy to use. So I put all the information in the description below, so you can go and check it out. Thanks for watching.